Hey guys, today we will be assembling the Flexzilla garden hose. Here are the three components that I purchased off of Amazon recently, each with a product description, title, price, and image. However, I've noticed that several people have had issues assembling this product, so let's get right to it. The timestamps for assembling individual parts and their Amazon links will be available in the description below. We'll begin by putting together the nozzle kit. Lay out the three parts like so, and connect the first and second pieces together by twisting the green nozzle onto the gray piece. You can leave that aside for now. Next, pick up the third part and untwist the top. Then, set the small gray piece aside. Finally, take the third part we just separated and flip it upside down. Then, connect it with the nozzle. Firmly push the pieces together and wait until you hear a clicking noise. The completed nozzle should look like this. Now, onto the swivel grip lead-in hose. This part of the hose serves as the connecting piece between the nozzle and the rest of your hose. Once you connect it to the rest of the hose, twist your nozzle onto the connector. Finally, attach the end of your hose to the spigot, like so. Now that we've assembled the entire hose, I'll walk you through how to use it. To adjust the type of water stream, grip the gray part of the nozzle while twisting the green piece in the clockwise direction. By doing so, you should notice that the flat stream of water changes into a thin, concentrated, and more pressurized water flow. However, if you twist the nozzle indefinitely, it will disconnect from the entire hose. And lastly, if you wish to stop the water from passing through the nozzle entirely, then twist the nozzle completely counterclockwise. As you can see, there is no gap for the water to pass through anymore. If this video helped you, please let me know down in the comments below and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching!